Oh, Abakomusa, where is your wife? Baba Osho, where is your wife? Oh, so Baba, where is your wife? Baba Osho, you said your wife was there. Baba Osho, are you aware that your wife? Where is beating his wife? As check it out, oh yeah, I check it out, was still beating wife. Hey, woman don't suffer. Hey, women don't suffer. Baba Osho, and the baby. We want to know why Obewuru was beating his wife. Baba Osho, we don't want a violent man in government house. Obewuru, I told you before, Obewuru is a problem. When we call her, hello? Jamie, you know you're waiting to go, they say, Obewuru did take a beat, he did drive the wife come up for us. I never hear. I hear her with that guy talk just now. A wife, Obewuru.
And I sell markets and they also for my money because government won't do anything for me.